In this video, I will guide you on how to use TikTok Digital Wellbeing. First, launch open the TikTok app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now, you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, tap on the menu icon. Now select Settings and Privacy. Once you get here, scroll down and find the option of Time and Wellbeing. Select that. Inside this section, you will find the Screen Time option. Go ahead and tap on it. Now you'll be able to see your screen time over here. Here you can toggle on the option of daily screen time to get notified when you reach your time on TikTok. Now select the screen time limits option and set your preferred time such as 15 minutes, 30 minutes or even 2 hours. Then tap on done. Next you can enable sleep hours, then set the duration, enter start time and then end time. After that is done, head back. Now you also have the option of screen time breaks. You can select your screen time break from here. Now if you want weekly screen time updates, you can toggle this option on as well. Now head back and here you have different options for pause and reset as well. So you can select whichever option you prefer here. In this way you can use TikTok Digital Wellbeing. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.